3D printing is an innovative technology that lets you create a physical object from a digital model. All you have to do is create your design, send the file to your 3D printer, and bring your object to life. It's a form of additive manufacturing. Additive manufacturing is a layer-based fabrication method which involves making an object by adding material one tiny layer at a time. 3D prints are being used in several different ways across many different industries. Why? Because 3D printers enable businesses to test different iterations at a fraction of cost. It simply helps in rapid prototyping. 3D printing helps companies to develop customized tools on demand. It helps them to offer more responsive, adaptive services for their clients. 3D prints helps architects and designers to explain complicated designs easily, which ensures everyone has full understanding of the project. 3D printers are being used in a wide range of fields including dentistry, fashion, education, aerospace, and many more. All sorts of materials can be used in 3D printing like metal, steel, food, plastics, and even human cells. Stereolithography apparatus, the first 3D printing technology to be developed. It transforms liquid material into a solid printed object. Another type of 3D printer is the fused filament fabrication. A heated nozzle ejects molten plastic, depositing it in thin layers onto a print bed, which eventually forms the 3D printed object. Selective laser sintering. This technology uses powdered material instead of molten plastic or liquid. Selective laser melting is a subcategory of this printing process. "3D printers helps in unlimited customization, quick prototyping. It allows for clarity of design, easy to use, and it always results in zero wastage of material." The world is forever changing with the help of 3D printing technology. The use of 3D printers in various fields is beyond astonishing, and it is certain that additive layer manufacturing will be a large corporate in solving our problems. Acquire skills that matter at Labdox and learn more about 3D printing technology.